progressive transition, 5G test practices are developed and refined to ensure consistent 5G performance to end the Hello everyone, today's lecture topic is 5G in India. So 5G is the fifth generation of telecom network. Mobile phones transmit and receive radio frequency electromagnetic field. 5G is faster than previously used or the currently used mobile network because it uses beamforming technology, which enables users to receive radio frequency electromagnetic field frequencies without intervention. And 5G uses higher frequencies, that is more than 24 gigahertz, in addition to the previously used frequencies, that is less than 4 gigahertz. 5G is important because it will provide exponential improvement in bandwidth and latency reduction to power the advancements in new innovations such as self-driving cars, virtual reality and Internet of Things, which are driving the next paradigm shift. When it comes to wireless technologies, people want the best performance, and 5G gives 100 times faster networks than the previously or currently used networks. To ensure the progressive transition, 5G test practices are developed and refined to ensure consistent 5G performance to end the consumer's demand. And now I'll talk about the 5G testing in India. So 5G testing in India is in their early days and only small scale tests have been done, but there have been lots of myth about it. One post currently went viral which stated that the second wave of COVID-19 was due to the 5G testing that happened recently, and the post also stated that the 4G testing, the same way the 4G testing killed the birds, the 5G testing will cause the end of animals and humans. But there was no scientific evidence linked to that post, and same thing was mentioned by the WHO that there is no evidence which can link the COVID deaths to the 5G network. WHO also mentioned that viruses can't travel through radio waves or mobile networks, and it supported its statement by saying that the countries in which there is no 5G network, COVID is spreading there too. WHO also stated that after lots of research, it has found no evidence which can casually link the which can casually link any adverse health effect to exposure to the wireless technologies. Thank you.